You can do this as much as everybody else can do this, as much as I am here right now talking to the camera, but you're watching me on YouTube. I'm on YouTube. I might not have the following that I want. I might not have the views that I want, but I am here. I am consistently showing up, and YouTube knows it. And I am consistently putting the same titles and the same thumbnails, and I am consistently talking about the same topic. And I am not gonna rest until I know that I have the community that I came here for, until I know that you are creating the content that you are meant to create, which is, I know why you're here. I know that you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck. I understand because I've been there myself. I worked a 9 to 5 job for 10 years, and I know what it feels like to live paycheck to paycheck. I used to write down my bills, and I had maybe $50 left. And if even, okay, I know what it feels like. So I'm not saying I'm not even making money on YouTube right now, but I am an entrepreneur at heart. I ended up quitting my job and I started my own business because I believed in myself, because I saw someone else do it. And I said, if they can, I can too. And it was a clothing business. And I'm going to show you real quick. I mean, I still run my business. I have I have the clothes there, and it's been keeping me going and pays my bills. And I've been doing this for 4 years after I quit my job, which was in 2020 when everything happened. The crazy things happened in 2020, right? Remember? Yeah, the Coco. So, I've been doing that. And the thing is, I've been feeling inspired to create content because I want to help people. I want to show what it's like to start from the bottom. I just feel this calling to start YouTube and to start creating content and to show a little bit of what I've lived. And I know that there's a lot of people. I know that in the world, there's a lot of people that we're just tired. We're just tired of living paycheck to paycheck. I understand and I get it. And YouTube is not going anywhere. Okay, YouTube is here to stay. It's the new TV. It's been around and it's not going anywhere. So you need to start. You need to start now. I can't stress this enough. This is all I want to put out, is that you need to start as soon as possible. And that no matter how many videos you watch of wanting to start your content creation, no matter how many videos you watch, you're never going to start if you don't just press record. I know what I'm telling you. I watched 1,000 videos in my lifetime to learn how to record and how to create your YouTube channel and how to get monetized on YouTube. And then I realized, why am I focusing on how to monetize when I haven't even dared to do the hard part and record myself? Because that is the hard part, to record yourself, right? And like I was saying, I'm an entrepreneur at heart. And when I saw that other people were being successful at their entrepreneurship, I saw that other people were being successful, selling clothes and stuff. I mean, you don't have to specifically do that. That's what I did, but I saw that other people were doing it and they looked so free. And I wanted that. I wanted that. And I got it. And the thing is, when you want something, it's not how much you want it, it's what you're actually going to do about it. So when I was working, I decided that I was going to start selling on my own. I started investigating, where does these people find the clothes, and I finally found it. One things lead to the next. I started doing my own research, and that's how I ended up buying my clothes to resell as wholesale. And I started reselling. I started selling and I started my own little business. And I've been doing that for a while. But I am tired because even though I do have my own time right now, I'm at home and it's 1 p.m., it's almost 2 p.m. actually, and I have the time to do my content creation. I am still tired because I work during the weekends with my job, with the job that I have. I have to I have to meet with people, I have to turn in their merchandise, I have to meet with them to give it to them. And in the weekends, that's when I have my kids with me. I have 3 kids and it's hard. It's hard to do that, even though I do have my time during the week. I have my free time. I still work, but it's not as if I'm clocking in and, I work on my own. But even though that's still hard. And I decided that I was going to go all in for YouTube. And the thing is, I don't want to do this on my own. I want to bring you along. I want to teach you that it is possible.